When was the last time you were truly uncomfortable? Not mildly annoyed, not briefly inconvenienced, but genuinely stretched. We live in the most comfortable era in human history. Temperature controlled, food delivered instantly, endless entertainment in our pockets. Yet anxiety rises, resilience falls, attention fragments. In The Comfort Crisis, Michael Easter suggests a radical idea. Our suffering is not caused by too much hardship. It is caused by too little. For most of human history, survival required effort. Cold mornings, empty stomachs, uncertain outcomes. Discomfort was not optional. It was constant. And because of that, we evolved to handle it. Today, we remove friction everywhere. We avoid silence. We avoid hunger. We avoid boredom. We avoid difficulty. But when discomfort disappears, so does our capacity to endure. Easter tests this himself. He enters the Alaskan wilderness. No digital noise, no climate control, no easy escape. The cold is sharp. Hunger is steady. Silence is loud. At first, it feels like loss. Then it feels like clarity. He begins to notice small details. Spark of fire, the taste of simple food, the strength in his own body. Discomfort strips away excess. What remains is capability. This lesson applies far beyond the wilderness. In investing, in business, in career growth, we crave immediate returns. But volatility builds discipline. Uncertainty builds patience. Failure builds skill. Comfort stabilizes. Discomfort transforms. The strongest version of you was not created in ease. It was forged in challenge. So ask yourself honestly, where have you built a life designed to avoid friction at all costs? And what if the very friction you avoid is the doorway to your next level? You do not need Alaska. You need intention. Choose the stairs. Choose the hard conversation. Choose focused hour. One deliberate discomfort per day. That is how resilience returns. That is how confidence grows. Right now, comfort is available. But so is expansion. Which one will you step toward?